Everyone, how are you all? I am your Anuj Singh, owner of the Raghuvanshi Automation Solution. Brother, today I will give you complete information about fire alarm system. So, first of all, what is the fire alarm system? Fire alarm system is designed to alert us in emergency, so we can take an action to protect ourselves and general public. And listen carefully. B. Install fire alarm system according NFPA, means National Fire Protection Association. And now second, where we do use fire alarm system. We use fire alarm system in homes, shops, hotels, offices, factories and warehouses. Now third, how many types fire alarm system are there? There are three types of fire alarm system: conventional, addressable and semi-addressable. Now fourth, how does this three panel work? Conventional, addressable and semi-addressable panels work differently. Conventional panel detect fire in an entire zone. Addressable panels identify individual devices and semi-addressable panels identify fire in a zone. Now fifth, specification of fire panels. First, conventional. Primary power 220 volt AC and standby power 24 volt DC. Charging circuit 28 volt DC and wiring style B class. And addressable only wiring style is different. Also primary power 220 volt AC, standby power 24 volt DC and wiring class is A, and charging circuit 28 volt DC. And the semi-addressable panel is a merged system of addressable and semi-addressable panel. In it both and conventional and addressable panel work based system. Now last is very important, the devices of fire alarm system. First, conventional for zones, addressable for loops and semi-addressable, both merge conventional and addressable. And now devices of fire alarm system. First, your panel, your charging circuit, your 12 volt battery 2 notch and your if addressable is then loop card and FRLS fireproof wiring cable with conduit and MCP, hooter, sounder and smoke detector, multi detector, heat detector, beam detector, carbon monoxide detectors, module, relay module, control module, monitor module, etc. And resistance, different resistance value for different panels, and insulator base for solve the problem in area, notification system and your PA system for emergency announcement, and last repeater for remotely access of fire alarm system. So these information is very important for your basic fire alarm system knowledge. So we will meet again. Thank you. Bye.